Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video we are demonstrating how to deflate and roll up a water slide.
So in this video, we are gonna basically demonstrate to you how to deflate, and that is kind of a very important step for us anyway. I don't know about for everybody else, but for us, the deflating process helps for the entire rolling up. But we're gonna show you how to deflate and roll up a big water slide in this video. So let's go. So on our big water slide inflatables, both of them, the blower is located in the back. So Maddie is flipping off the breaker, she's undoing, she's scooting it back, and that's where the air is gonna release out of that tube. And then we take and we will pull it because we want it to fall backwards and we want it to fall to the ladder side. So the ladder is on this side, so if you're facing it, the ladder is on the left side, but we want it to fall towards the ladder and backwards, just a little bit back and to the ladder side. And we will show you why when we start rolling it up. All right, guys, now that we have got this thing mostly deflated, most of the air's out of it, and the ladder did fall correctly to, I guess, the left side if you're facing the slide. It is over here, as you can see, it's right there. It's facing it fell to the left. Now we are going to start folding everything inside, because the object of rolling this thing up is so all the showing vinyl that is presented to the customer, to you, needs to be tucked in, and the bottom is what you want to see on the outside of a roll. So as for instance, like this the sun part, we want to pull it, and the way we do it is we pull it as far up as we can, and then we want to get this square, and then we'll roll it in. So we're going to try to show you how we do it, and hopefully you guys can pick up something on it that you guys like, or I mean, if you guys change it. We watched several videos and then we found that this way is the best for us. So we're gonna do it. Let's go.
Okay, so as you guys can see, we pulled our highest part of our slide, which was our sun, all the way forward. Then we grabbed the back of it and pulled that towards the sun. That way it's flat like that. Our next step, we're gonna take our ladder side and we're gonna fold it about halfway in. And then we're gonna do the opposite side over that side.
All right, guys, as Archer puts the finishing touches on squeezing the rest of the air out of it so we can roll this sucker up, as Maddie said, we folded the ladder side over, and then did the exact same thing over the ladder side with the rest of the slide side. And this is what it kind of looks like. So you just want to basically a straight line, and then as Archer squishes all the air bubbles out and air pockets, your highest part is going to be right here, because that's the clump side. And we'll show you why we pull the ladder, or the sun, as Maddie said, our highest point of the slide. We pulled as far up because, I mean, over the years of us doing this, we have learned one thing, and to make our lives way easier, and that's this tail, which at the end of our video, the final stage of rolling this thing up, we will show you what that tail kind of does and helps it wrap it up and make it look nice and neat. But this is what it's supposed to look like with your final. I mean, you can push this out, but we're gonna start rolling it up right now. Let's go.
You want to roll it cool side first. So you're just gonna do a tight roll as you can, and squeeze it together as you go. And while one person is rolling, or two, however many you need, you wanna try to push all of this extra stuff in underneath the bottom to make sure it stays clean.
All right, guys, so we're here at the final stage of the roll-up. So what we were talking about this tail, and we wanted to keep a lot of that excess. So pulling that sun so far forward and then pulling the back the rest of the way, it allowed this tail to have less vinyl and less clump. I mean, this is where your clump is. So the ladder is still right here. Part of the slide, you know, and this thing's 20, 22, 24, something foot tall. So it's all right here. But, so this tail, it helps tuck everything in by rolling it forward right here. So that helps, so you don't have all this flopping around everywhere. So you just tuck it in here like so, smash it out. Archer's throwing rocks. But, and then, whoa! And then, what we use these blue straps. It's what works for us. And you just simply run them through here. Archer, why? Simply run them. You lift this up, you stick it as far as your arm can reach under here. And that's one. You plump it out. Same thing to the other side. Like that. All right. And then we're gonna finish rolling it up. As Maddie steps on that so I can, a little less of a hill. Let the air seep out a little bit. Roll it just far enough over that you can see your straps. Pull them out of there. Flop them over here. I'll get this way so you guys can see. So you take this in, obviously. You're familiar with straps, I'm sure, if you're doing inflatables. Stick it through here. I mean, you're better than me at this. Grab the other side, and then just pull it as tight as you can. And then to put the little extra pinch on it, step on it. Put your whole weight on it if you have to. Make that good and tight. Same thing to the other side. Same thing. Get up there and step on it and squeeze that thing tight. Squeeze it tight, and you got a good roll. A good roll right there. All right, guys, just like that, our roll up is done. I mean, that's a pretty good tight roll. That thing is ready to be delivered. We got to do one more thing, and basically we're just gonna stand this thing up and we're gonna dolly it to the shed for safe storage until it goes out. I mean, it's probably gonna go out tomorrow, who knows? We're getting calls like crazy, but that's basically how you do it. We're gonna stand it up. All right, guys, just like that, it is done. I hope this video kind of helped you guys. I mean, if you guys are kind of having trouble with rolling up your big slide or think about getting into the inflatable business and have no idea, because what was it, Maddie? 3 years ago, we had no idea. We watched YouTube videos on basically how to roll it up ourselves, and now we've found tips and we're sharing tips and tricks with you, but we found them along our way.
So if you are renting, bought your own, or just have one that you're trying to figure out how to roll up, we hope this video helps you.
If you haven't already, will you please like and subscribe to the channel. We have tons of other videos. We like going out and doing trails and national parks and just just hiking and outdoor stuff in general, taking our family along with us and taking you guys along with us along with doing our inflatable videos. But if you haven't already, will you please hit that like and subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications on our new video we post every week, and remember,
a family that adventures together stays together.
Peace.